So these are the ones that we busted from trying to do, you know, stuff that we're not ready for. It's pretty sharp actually. And these also. And then this one of these right here, this one's, you can see in the light is like internally damaged. So if you were to use it again, it would bust off in flight. So we have these, we have this, and then we have this. So it's gonna be like this kinda. We're gonna have this one here. We're gonna have 2 blacks here, and then 2 blues here. It's gonna be like that. And then we'll show you the after result. So stay tuned, guys. Bye.
Wait, let's give them one tip. How do we know where the props go?
CCW is gonna be on the orange, and then CW is gonna be on the black ones.
Let me try and hold that and see if I can show them where we can actually see the. It's on this side. Okay. See that, guys?
CW right there.
CW. And where's the CCW? We'll just pick a broken one and maybe I'll get lucky. That one says it.
These orange ones don't say it.
Yep, that one says C.
Oh, right here. This one says CCW.
CCW. Yep. So again, CCW goes to the orange. CW goes to the other one. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.